You guys asked if you're looking to make more money with your book, it's important that you scale with your book. And so I want to talk about many of you have been asking if you'd like to if you're struggling to make more money with your book, I want you to watch this video. I want you to understand a little bit about the customer journey as an Amazon Prime user. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane, and I've been publishing for 3 years. And I want to talk to you about book profitability. You've seen previous videos where we talk about reverse engineering book profitability, but we've got a lot of questions in the community, on the community tab, and even in the YouTube comments, both online and in the program that I teach. And the question is this: how to know when to raise the price of your book. So when you are publishing a book on Amazon, you get to pick the price, and it just needs to be above the printing and shipping and delivery of your book. And so 100 pages on Amazon, a 6x9, that's about $2.36. And you can start pricing it around $4.99 and making just a penny profit. But as you know, I've been able to scale to multiple six figures in my book ads, and I've been able to scale book ads because of this book profitability, of reverse engineering this. So when we talk about what to price a book at, I just want to remind you that if you are publishing in the United States of America, there are 90 million monthly buyers, and they are Prime users. And so that means that the price of shipping is included for them. So a Prime user on Amazon, I actually feel like I need to do a separate video on this because it could be a really big tangent, but the Amazon buyer, they will pay more to have something delivered to them. Like, that's the end of story. If they can have access to it, but they could get it locally and maybe they don't want to go out and shop, they will buy it online and have it shipped to them for that convenience. So Amazon is already training a type of buyer that will pay for convenience. And so with that in mind, anytime that I have a book sell, I look at that book and I think about, is this priced the best price? And do I have enough margins to scale the book? So if you look at my screen, the third one down, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, 3 through 6 are brand new books. And if you've made anywhere over $100 of royalties for that book, I want you to raise the price. I want you to raise the price 25 cents, 33 cents, 47 cents, 99 cents, $1. Because your book is validated, okay? And if this is organic, that's even better because now you can add another dollar of royalty to scale your books. And having organic sales is so great. But when you can find more customers by doing book ads, you will make more money. Every person that has made, well, not every person, but almost every person that I know that has made over 5,000 to 10,000 to 13,000 to 25,000 to $30,000 during Christmas season on Amazon KDP prepared for that by having margins in their book to scale, but also they had on book ads. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is because the Amazon buyer pays for convenience. It's not a person that is going to the dollar bin at the dollar store to pick out a dollar book and they know it's going to be cheap. So when you're creating books that you're proud of and you've made over $100, I want you to raise the price. So at the time of this video, this number 3 book here has sold $146. So I just raised the retail price of it by $2. So I had room to scale it because it's in a very low competition niche. So that was the first part. The second part, though, is that there's other books in here that are more expensive in this niche. And so I raised it $2. I'm going to try to scale that campaign further, knowing that I have an additional $2 to put back in there. So this book has sold, let me actually just do the math for you really quick so you can get a better idea of what you would like to sell in terms of your book. Okay, so when this book was launched, the introductory price, I launched it at $8.99. So that means this book has sold only 16 times. But that is enough to validate this. And you guys, when I made my first $27 online in 2019, I asked my coach at the time, and actually I'm working with that coach again, so it's crazy. I asked her, how do you know if it's validated? Like what? She's like, you need one sell. And when I got that first sell, you guys online, it changed everything. I was like, there's one person out there that values what I had. And I kept going, and that mindset has fueled me for a long time. So it will be interesting to see. Let me just do the math again for you. Okay, so let's say I sell 16 more books now that I've raised the price. Okay, that's an additional, that's going to double this amount. Okay, and so don't take that lightly. When this fourth book here, when I get one more sell today or tomorrow, I will go in and raise the price. Okay. And so think of that number. Is it 15 books or is it $100? Is it 20 books or is it, the threshold for me is the $100 is like, okay, 10 people on Amazon validated this. And the reason why I'm bringing up shipping is because the margins are there. Like an Amazon buyer, they'll pay a couple dollars more. They're not going to notice that. And if you're trying to change your life, you need to value your work. You need to value what you're putting into it. And so let your organic sales of those Amazon buyers give you that permission to raise the price. Even if you're only raising it 33 cents, 50 cents. I mean, this book number 3, I raised it $2 because I'm testing, because I want to see if Amazon will put it on sale. You might be like, what, Jenny? That's called the Amazon price strike strategy. When you're running ads, if Amazon thinks they can get a sell from a customer because the book's cheaper, they have margins. Amazon has margins to put your book on sale, but they cannot put your book on sale if it's priced too cheap because there's no margins for Amazon. So there's this beautiful duality of like, let's sell more books and let's have a little bit more budget to scale. So thank you for asking this question in our community, when to know, when to raise the price of your book. See you in the next video.